Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the tips and tricks to make sure that your gig runs smoothly and hopefully get you more gigs. So in this video we are talking about improving your performance. Yes, so there's two ways you can do this. First is audio and the second is visual. Now granted, I'm using a video camera to film you. I'm just talking into the microphone on the camera. Now this is great for talking and visually you can see things, but to record sound, that's not really good enough. So really you need audio and visual to improve your performance. So a camera like this is just a cheap £120 camera. It's not particularly expensive, on a tripod. It's great for seeing visual. You can see things moving and see how things look. It's not perfect, but for most people it will do. It will make sure that you are not doing things that you shouldn't be doing, shall we say. One person I knew wore a waistcoat, and in between songs he always tugged at the bottom right hand side of the waistcoat, and with the camera he noticed this and stopped doing it. There's things you will do on stage. It might be adjusting the strap, it may be doing anything. It will let you see that. Now it won't record, shall we say, visual effects like lights and stuff like that, because the camera's not designed for that. I'm talking about little nervous tics and habits you may have that doesn't look good on stage. So this is great for that. You can see yourself and go, oh, am I doing that all the time? I shouldn't really. And it helps to improve the performance. Now for the audio, there are many audio devices. I use one that looks like a little, shall we say, lollipop mic. You can stand it up and it records audio perfectly. And then you can hear yourself back. So this is about checking your audio and visual performance. Because if it sucks, you will never get a gig. You've got to be somewhat entertaining and look and sound good. So tape yourselves every gig if need be. I'm sure a friend can go along and film from the stage, film from the audience what you look like on stage, and you can sort of work out any dead points. This includes looking at the ground, which I've mentioned on previous videos. This can include looking bored. Don't want to look bored on stage. You've got to be somewhat entertaining. So bear that in mind. You are looking for a good visual and a good audio, and get your friends to film from various points. Remember, if somebody's near the front of the stage, they can see you quite clearly. If someone's, say, 50, 60, 70 foot back, you need to be somewhat over the top to make it look like the gig's working. So think of it that way. And let's be honest, you've got phones now, you can film on them. Just remember to film in landscape, not portrait. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.